Dynamic text fields are a composite view of existing master data fields combined with custom text and separators. You can create dynamic text in the same way as you create other attributes via master data attributes. Navigate to the desired attribute group and click the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Fill in the required fields. Remember to include an import code if the attribute will be used in an integration. There is no need to check the read-only option. For dynamic text fields, the content cannot be edited manually, as it is built from predefined fields. For the data type, select Dynamic Text and click Create. At this point, you should consider what you want to display in the field. You can choose what type of information to retrieve from the selected data types. Alternatively, you can add constant text, which is the same as universal text. This can include spaces, separators, or labels that remain the same across all languages. You can also add constant translatable text. Here, you must enter text for each required language, allowing the field to display different values depending on the language selected in an integration. Fields can be duplicated if you need to use the same element multiple times. This can be particularly useful for constant text, such as separators or spacing. You can also rearrange the fields using drag and drop to change the order. At the bottom of the window, you will see a preview. Click Save when you are finished. After this, the attribute must be added to one or more product templates for it to appear on the product. If you need to modify the content later, click the Edit icon and make the necessary changes. When you search for a product that includes this attribute, you can see how it appears on the product. Here, you can verify that the values are correctly displayed. If any values are missing, you need to enrich the fields used in the dynamic attribute, as the dynamic attribute only retrieves values from the selected fields. This makes it especially important to maintain good control over this data. To get a clear overview, you can use the completeness feature in Feed. You can learn more about this in another video or in the Feed user manual.
Feed PIM, made by ISIS.